Ingredients are boiled green moong. Soak it overnight or 7 to 8 hours. I have added salt into it. Chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, pomegranate seeds, chopped coriander leaves, jeera powder, chaat masala, curd, shave, mint chutney, tamarind chutney. The link for these chutneys is given in the description box. Now let's make chaat. In a boiled moong, now let's add curd, tamarind chutney, mint chutney, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, jeera powder, chaat masala, pomegranate seeds, coriander leaves, and garnish it with shave. Our moong chaat is ready to serve. Adjust the proportion of all the ingredients as per your taste. If you like my recipe, do subscribe, share, and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.